Alright guys, before we get started here, if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, we'll get right on started. Alright, so I'm back with another video here, and I've just got a standard top bottom refrigerator here. And I started cleaning this thing up. Once I'm done with it, it'll be a pretty good working refrigerator. But the issue is, so I'm gonna make a video. In this video here, I'm just gonna do just the top seal on the freezer, and then I'll make another video with doing the seal on the refrigerator part. So I got my good seal right there. It's just off of another refrigerator. I'll put it on here. We'll clean it up. All right. So all you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to open up the freezer, and all you have to do is it's just got a little groove that pops in here. You store it on each corner, and I'll show you right here why I'm going to do this. You see this seal's broken, and it's just going to keep chipping and chipping, and there'll be air getting out and just cause more problems. So what we're going to do is I usually grab it from the corners, and I'll just pry it open just like that. It just pries right off. All right, let's go ahead and finish putting this thing on. So earlier, I had one laying off to the side here, and I believed it was the right one, but it was the wrong one. You can see right there that's the correct size. So what I'm gonna do now is I like to spray around the seal real good. Get it cleaned out real good. So all I'm gonna do right now, and all I'm doing right now is just wiping over where the seal's at. And we'll go ahead and I'll show you how to put that. All I'm doing right now, all this is doing is making it where that seal get a little bit better. Pop in that groove. You can see there, I've gotten it real clean where the seal goes. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the seal. All you do is literally it just pops right in place, just like the other one did. Go around. It literally just pops right in place there. You'll feel it click in place. Going go all the way around the entire seal. Make sure you got a good, solid fitting. You can see right here is where the chip is at. The other one got a fresh seal on there. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna spray my spray around this seal. Clean it up real good because it did come off of an old fridge. Now, if you don't have a used one like I had, all you do is you can go on Google and you can search up appliance parts near me, and you order this seal based on your exact model.